Look at how to embed a screencast into your blog post. You remember in the last video I made a screencast using Loom, and I copied what's called the embed code and I put that down here. Okay. Just before we do that, let me show you how you can get embed codes from other places. For example, if you are here on let's say YouTube, and you want to get an embed code there, you click on share, and you'll notice right down here it says embed, and you can make a couple settings. Like I usually take off show suggested videos. I figure that's kind of a distraction, and I click up here and I copy, and I've got the embed code, and I could paste that embed code down here if I wanted to. Also, if you happen to be using capture space to make your video, you'll see there's a share button here, and then we click on embed, and it loads it up this way, and it says press control copy here, so or command copy. So I go command copy and I copy it. So and then I could paste that over here if I wanted to. Okay, kind of a long embed code. All right. Well, the thing about embed codes is that as authors on our blog, you are not authorized to embed content, simply because embedding content may run the risk of some corrupting things. So there's a little service called HTML Snippets. It's kind of a safe place to put an embed code. And I've got that over here, and these are some of the codes that were generated by students from last spring's class. So we're going to go add a new embed code right here, and I highly recommend, because we're going to have a lot of them, that you put your name down like this, and you maybe do dash screencast like this, and then I'm just going to grab that Loom embed code that I did, and I'm going to put it all on my clipboard, copy it, and go Control V, paste it. It says publish. You're really not publishing this as a blog post. You're just kind of publishing it as a short code. So I click publish, and you'll notice now it gives me this embed code right here. It says you can enter this code in your post and pages with this short code. So I'm going to highlight everything, including the brackets at both ends, and I'm going to do a Control C or a Command C. So now I've saved that, and then I go back over to the post, and I just put my cursor where I'd like to embed it, and I go right there like that. And let's just see, I save draft, and we go to preview the post like this. And a lot of times you've got to refresh the page, so if it doesn't come up right away, you can do that, and that basically embeds your screencast. And you can use this HTML snippet feature right here. You can use this to embed anything that generates an embed code, and it creates kind of a safe spot for it to be quarantined from the rest of the site. So good luck with your first screencast.